Okay, so today we are looking at a pair of earbuds. These are the QCY AilyBuds Pro Plus. I'm not even sure if Aily. I guess that's how you pronounce that. I have it here on my phone. Adaptive active noise canceling wireless earbuds, LDAC and high-res wireless audio earbuds, built-in 6 microphone headphones, multi-point connection, IPX5 waterproof, Bluetooth 5.3 connection. And you can get these, as you can see here, in black, blue, and white. $49. The blue's kind of sharp. $49, $50 US, right? So that's decent. You can actually, as you see here, save 5% on 2 select items. And it already says that 20% coupon has been applied to one of your items. So if you do it now, that coupon may or may not be there during when you guys see that. But if it is, that makes it even cheaper. They say the model number is the HT10 Pro Plus. HT10 Pro Plus. Adaptive audio discovery, yep, etc., etc. I will put links to the Amazon listing below if you guys want to take a look. But let's just crack them open, hook them up, and see what we think. Anyways, this is the box here. Small little box compared to the hand, right? QCY, be creative, be creative, go beyond. Go beyond. And you got some stuff here. There is a little, it says QCY app. So I'm going to see if that app is something that you and I need to download, because if so, I should probably get on that. Let's get in close here, see if I can. Okay, let's just take a gander. See if something shows up. Yep, QCY. So you can probably just search for QCY as well, if you guys feel the need to do that. That's going to download. So excellent. We'll just put that off to the side. And this, we will see what's inside here. Anything? It's a gravity box. Just kind of shake it. Oh, look how small that. Look at that. Oh, I like that. Look how tiny those are. Check that out. Those are, like, I can wrap them completely in my hand. I think those are one of the smallest sets of earbud in a case that I have seen. Why is this saying it's stopping? Hold on. I got to start that again. Got to start this again. You know? No, I don't. We've already recorded that part that I wanted to record, so it don't matter. Anyways, that is pretty slick. And then inside here, my guess is going to be your USB-C cable. I'm going to say C because I'm hoping for C. Better be C. And maybe, I don't know if they need tips for this one. Nope. So, wee little USB-C cable. It's literally just that way. So, USB-A to C. And underneath here, just so you guys know, there's a little tiny manual. Am I even going to look at that? No, I'm not. But it's there. If you guys are like, oh, I want a manual. Well, you got a manual. Anyways, let's take a look at this. The app should be downloaded. There it is right there. Let's see if I need to install any kind of, or do any kind of login. Please type in an email. So it does allow me to log in as a visitor, or I could log in maybe as Facebook. Nope. Oh, I agree. So let's do the agree part and as the Facebook, because I'd rather just do it that way. It just takes less time. Let's see. Continue as me. Yes, please. Wants to open this. Yes, logging in. So it still needs to link to an email address. Okay, just give me a sec. I'm gonna have to put this in. I think you have to put an email address strictly. As you can see here, it sends it. You get 58 seconds to get the CAPTCHA code, they say. So let's just see if something showed up here, which it did. And there's my code right there. So we'll just copy that. And, oh, from mail. Yep, register. Boom. Add device. Okay, so we are adding earbuds. Now, my guess is this will have to be turned on. So we're just going to do that. The case turns on. This has all kinds of plastic on it, yes? So make sure you take all this plasticky stuff off, because without that, it probably won't be able to connect. So that's coming off. That's coming off. Yes, yes, yes. Both of them in there. Light it up. Hold on. You can add device manually. Okay. I'm wondering if there's charge in these, because they've only been upstairs maybe for like a week or so. But I'm wondering if, oh, look, connecting. There we go. I had to close the lid and then pop it back open again. Connecting, still connecting. I understand. While using, I understand. Boom. We're good. We're connected. All right. So the only thing that you kind of had to do was close them and reopen it. Now, under the settings, you will see there's a little red dot there. My guess is possibly, if we scroll around, firmware update. Yeah, so there is a firmware update available. So we are going to do that right now. Yes, upgrade. We're just going to set them right there because they have 100% battery, which is good. And we're just going to let this download. And as soon as it downloads, we're going to play some music and do a mic test. And we'll see what we think. All right, guys, there we go. Upgrade successful. Now that, I don't know exactly, 3 to 5 minutes probably it took. Both 2 earbuds have been updated successfully. Please reboot. Cool. I'm going to close that, reopen it. My hope is that if I go back to devices, that this should be able to, actually, maybe, I don't know if maybe I have to restart the app. I don't know, 100% sure. Let's just see. See if it finds it when it boots up. Looks at them. Protocol. Sure, I agree. I don't even know what that meant. Now, usually with the apps, you use the apps to just kind of set up everything just to get it the way that you want it. After that, do we necessarily care a lot? Not really. So I'm actually going to take these out just to see if they'll connect when I do this. It says if they don't connect, try turning them on and off again. I'm not even sure on these ones how on and off works, but we'll find that out in a second, I guess. On, off. That's better. I got a red light and then a white light. Let's see if anything happens here. Okay, looks like we're connected. There they are. 100%, 100%. The device is not this color. Oh, so you could actually go in and change them if you were like, I bought the blue ones. That's kind of neat, I guess. So you do have sound at the top. So you can do adaptive, right? Adaptive, what is that? Adaptive sound effect, okay? Default, pop, heavy bass, rock. So these are like equalizers. Noise canceling, you have normal or adaptive. And then your channel balance, you can move it back and forth. That's cool. Discovery, my guess is just going to be a store. And then, of course, you have so quick connect, you can do feedbacks, you can do settings, right? Clear cache. This is for the app itself. I don't care. Really, the important one is here, right? And then you have your settings. So when you touch them, you can tell it what it's kind of doing. You can do the find your headset. Really? Find headset. Find my headphones. Anything? You will hear beep, beep from the earbuds. Well, okay. I didn't hear it, but okay. Anti-wind noise. Dual device connection if you want. In gaming mode, so less latency. Sleeping mode. Firmware upgrade, which we are. And then more settings, which will give you the ability to rename, reset to factory, and a device information. So cool. We'll keep here. We'll keep in the sound one. We'll keep here in the sound. I'm going to put these on. Okay, because they should be connected. Now these feel very much like, let's say, the original, right? Like the original Apple earbuds, right? AirBuds, whatever they're called, kind of that design. I say it's one size fits most. You know, if you have big ears, they may not fit. If you have small ears, they may not fit. Anything in between, they probably will fit okay. I'm going to play some songs here. Let's just find, let's go into artists. I don't know. No, let's go into search. See what comes up. Anything? Usually I have some stuff come up right away. Here we go. So let's try some Van Halen. I'm going to Panama. Ready? And that seems to be coming out of my phone. So I wonder if that is for just the app to find it, and you have to turn that off. I'm going to get a copyright strike. I wonder if you have to connect it via Bluetooth in your actual phone as well as through the app, because no, it says connected. It does say that they're connected. That's weird. Why is it not playing there? So if I come here and I tell it where to play, it should. It just says iPhone. That's bizarre. Let's do this. Let's close the app. Why is it not coming out of there? Being connected to Bluetooth device for data communication. Oh, it's for data. So it's connected, but it's only for data connection. So my guess is you do have to, you use the app to do your settings, but you probably have to go into Bluetooth here to actually connect them. So if I brought that to the bottom and then I turn these on, power on. Okay, and there they are now, back down here, pairing. Now it's connected. And I bet now, so if you want to just use the app for settings, it's not going to play music through it. Then you shut the app down, and then you should be able to play music. All right, let's try this again. Hopefully it doesn't play out to you guys. It is lossless. Ready? There it goes. This is just normal. Like I said, like if I can push these into my ears like this and just kind of get them in there, they sound good. Right? Like there's a fair bit of bass coming out of them for sure. But problem is because my ears are, I don't even think they're big, but I guess they're bigger. What happens is the earbuds float back a bit over time, and then you don't get that seal. And because of that, you lose some of your bass. Now, if you have smaller ears than me, they're probably going to fit in quite well, because the sound itself is decent when they're in there. Now, they're not crazy loud because I've got them at full, and yeah, if I push them in like that, I'd be super happy with them. But the longer I let them go, the more they kind of float back, and I lose that bass. So just kind of be aware of that. That's an issue. I had the same issue with the original Apple AirPods, whatever they called, because again, they're designed to fit most, not everybody. Just kind of be aware of that. But it sounds good if you have it there. Let's do one more song just to see. We'll just do the beginning, and this again is at full, right? Complete full. Yeah, like when they're pushed up, they're fantastic. When you let them go, you lose some of the fantastic. You just do. Again, it's I can't make them stay in their spot, right? But when they're in there, they sound great. All right, well, okay. I can't get around that, right? Let's just go to Blackmagic here, and real quickly, we're going to do an audio test real fast. We're going to go into settings. We're going to go to audio, and we're going to switch this to the speakers, or this headphones, right? Come back to the camera, do one of these, and record. So this should be audio coming out of the earbuds right now. So you should be able to get an idea if they sound okay or if they don't. You know, it is what it is. 2 mics, are they working good? You be the judge. You tell me. Leave a comment below. All right, let's go back to the normal mic. So I simply put, I love how small they are. I do. I think the size is like crazy. That's awesome. Sound is good if you have ears that they fit in properly. If not, you're gonna find that they stay in place, but you just don't get that loud volume, and you just don't get that low end. So that's kind of something that you have to be aware of. If you buy them, I would say buy them off of Amazon so you can try them out. And if you love them, keep them. And if you don't love them, they don't fit right, whatever, then give them back. Send them back, right? The other thing, too, is that you guys heard the mic. I haven't, but you guys can judge that. And that's kind of it. I do like that they come with an app so you can do some of the settings on them. That's cool. I would like it to be that if I use the app, I didn't have to disconnect the app and then for data and then reconnect it for audio. I wish that was just all together. You just had to do it once. Maybe you can. I'm not 100% sure. But yeah, there you go. $50. They could be really good depending on the size of your ears and your head, you know, but you gotta kind of have to try them. All right, guys, links down below if you're interested at all. And I will see you guys next video. These are the QCYs something Pro Plus. Yeah. All right, guys, links down below. I'm out. Later.